Hey guys, welcome back. So in the last videos we looked at the interior angle sum theorem. In this video we're going to talk about the exterior angle sum theorem. And again, this is going to apply to just convex polygons. So this is the exterior angle sum theorem. So just a reminder of what the exterior angle looks like. I'm just draw a polygon up here. So I'm just going to draw a pentagon with 5 sides. And if you recall what an exterior angle is, if we were to take the side of a polygon and extend it on out, so if we extend the side straight out, that's going to create this exterior angle. All right, so we can do that with each side. So if we go, or down to each corner. So if we do that at each corner, extend these straight out, we're going to end up with 5 exterior angles. Okay? So that's what's meant by exterior angles. So here we have our 5 exterior angles. So if we go back and we take a look at, these interior angles, we know that the sum of the interior angles from the last video of a pentagon is going to be 540 degrees on the inside. Okay? And that can be split up however many different ways depending on the shape of the pentagon. So in this, I'm just going to go through here and I'm going to say that these two here are 90 degrees. They look kind of like they're 90 degrees. All right, so that'd be 180 degrees so far. This one looks like it's going to be about 150 degrees. So if I add the 180 plus 150, it's going to give me 330 degrees. So that's going to leave me like 170 degrees for these last two. All right, so we'll call those. If we take 170 divided by 2, that's going to be about 85 degrees for these. It doesn't look quite right. All right, so I probably misinterpreted some of those angle measures. We'll go with that because that does give us a total of 540 degrees that we need. Actually, it doesn't. That gives us 500 degrees if we add 170, right? That's where I messed up, so I need 20 more degrees. So let's make each of these 95 then instead of 85. So it's going to give me that 20. Nope, still not going to be enough. So what else? I'm drawing a blank here. What else do I need? So I need, these were 85. That was my 500 degrees. So I need to add 20 to each. So that's going to give me 105 degrees here for each of those. All right. So let's try that. So let's add 210 here. So that would be 540. Okay. So that's the interior angles of this pentagon. Now if I look at my exterior angles associated with these, all of my exterior angles combined with the adjacent interior angle has to be total 180. So that means that if this interior one right here on the right side is 90, this exterior one has to be 90 to give me that 180 degrees. This one's going to be 30 degrees. This one's 90 degrees. And these are going to be 75 degrees each. All right, so if I take those 5, so 90 plus 90 plus 30 plus 75 plus 75. Now add all those up. So I get 5 and 5, 0. So add 1, 14, 15, 18, 27, 360 degrees. All right, so my 5 exterior angles in this shape are going to add up to 360 degrees. If we did that for every single possible polygon, convex polygon, they're always going to add up to 360 degrees for the exterior angles. All right, so that's our exterior angle sum theorem. Exterior angles for any convex polygon is always 360 degrees. Okay? The sum of the exterior angles for any convex polygon is 360 degrees. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's a triangle, doesn't matter if it has 4 sides, if it has 50 sides. If we add all of the exterior angles, so one at each vertex. If you notice on this last picture, I only did one exterior angle per vertex. I didn't do multiples. Okay, so that means in a pentagon, I'm adding 5 exterior angles together. All right. Sum of the exterior angles of this polygon is 360 degrees. Okay. So there's really nothing to even add here. It's just the same no matter what. What problems for this are going to look like. So let's take a look at this shape right here. So this is a regular polygon. If we look at the number of sides, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sides. Okay. So if I ask you, what is the sum of the exterior angles of a regular octagon? A regular decagon. A decagon is 10 sides. For a regular decagon, the sum of the exterior angles is going to be 360 degrees. Okay? Doesn't matter how many sides there are. Exterior is always a sum of 360 degrees. Now what the question is not what's the sum of the exterior angles, what is the measure of this one angle right here? So what is x? Simple to find. We know that the sum, since that's an exterior angle, the sum of all 10 has to be 360 degrees. So we're simply going to divide that by n, or the number of sides. So then x, in this case, would be 36 degrees. All right? And we can check that. If we use the n minus 2 times 180, so 8 times 180, and I go to my calculator, 8 times 180, get 1,440 degrees. So the interior angles has to be 1,440 degrees. Okay? Divide that by 10, because there's 10 interior angles. We get each interior angle to be 144 degrees. Okay? For each interior angle. So we know that that interior plus that exterior has to be 180, so we can take 80 degrees minus 144, and it will in fact give us our 36 degrees that we found up here in that one step. So that's essentially your exterior angles theorem for any polygon. It's always 360 degrees. All right, I appreciate you watching this video. This is, I kind of combined a couple things into this one because it's fairly short. And I hope you liked it. If you did, hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button if you want to be notified. And, thanks for watching. I appreciate it.